सल्लु अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु ताला अला मुहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु ताला अलैहि वसल्लम। किस तरह इतने इल्म के दरिया बहा दिए, उलमाए हक़ की अक्ल तो हैरान है आज भी। Abu Hamid Sayyid Muhammad Kachojwi rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi has stated, while staying in Bareilly and working for Darul Ifta, I witnessed amazing things day and night. People were surprised to see the unique quality of Aala Hazrat to give prompt and perfect replies to the queries. Once, Darul Ifta received a written query. Those working for Darul Ifta read it and thought it was quite a new question, and its reply may not be found in the form of a jurisprudential clause. Its reply may be given on the basis of principles established by Islamic jurists. At last, they came to Aala Hazrat rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi and said, "We are receiving strange types of new questions. What should we do now?" Aala Hazrat rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi said, "It is a very old query. It has been explicitly mentioned on such and such page number of Fathul Qadir, and on such and such volume of Radd al-Mukhtar by Ibn Abidin, and in Hindiya and in Khairiyya." When those books were read, there was not a difference of even a single dot in the mentioned page number, line and its contents. Scholars were amazed by this divinely bestowed talent and skill of Aala Hazrat. May Allah Azza wa Jal have mercy on him and forgive us without accountability for his sake. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam.